It's a 2018 Cadillac ATS Sedan. With its masterful blend of power, handling, and luxury, this ATS Sedan was built for the enthusiastic driver. Features include integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated leather bucket seats, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, active grille shutters, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sports suspension, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, rear wheel drive, ultrasonic park assist, and automatic transmission. The Truth About Cars finds interior styling and handling are clear strengths. If we had to choose from among the cars that were actually available in the segment, this would be the one. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.